Mohamud ayaa lagu qabtay magaalada Muqdisho 14 ilaa 17 bishan. Shirka waxaa ka soo qayb galay ra'iisul wasaaraha xukuumadda Jamhuuriyadda Federaalka Soomaaliya Mudane Xamse Cabdi Barre, ra'iisul wasaare ku-xigeenka xukuumadda Mudane Saalax Axmed Jaamac, madaxweynaha Koonfur Galbeed Mudane Cabdilcasiis Xasan Maxamed Laftagareen, madaxweynaha Galmudug Mudane Axmed Cabdi Kaariye Qoorqoor, madaxweynaha Hirshabelle Mudane Cali Cabdulaahi Xuseen Cali Guudlaawe iyo gudoomiyaha gobolka Banaadir ahna duqa magaalada Muqdisho.
Somalia stands at a political crossroads as simmering tensions between Puntland and the federal government threaten to destabilize the nation. Fueled by accusations of overreach, unfulfilled promises, and constitutional conflict. At the center of it all, Somali President Hassan, whose recent actions have drawn heavy criticism. The president returned to power with promises of unity, federalism, and a path forward for Somalia. But instead, Puntland leaders argue that his approach is pulling the nation apart. His announcement of a popular vote election has stirred significant controversy as regional leaders and opposition figures alike see it as a premature move with no clear electoral framework or progress on a system that would ensure fair and transparent elections.
The federal government's unilateral decisions, particularly the push for a popular vote without a clear electoral infrastructure, undermine the very essence of our federal system. Puntland views this as an overreach, disregarding the autonomy and rights of federal member states.
The Constitution has become a flashpoint. Leaders argue that Mohamud's administration is disregarding key principles of federalism. By pushing for centralized elections without regional support or a proper constitutional amendment, critics contend that he's violating both the spirit and the letter of Somalia's federal framework. Puntland, for its part, has been taking steps towards democratic reforms on its own terms.
The reason that pushed me to come here is that I want to elect my leader.
Okay.
I want to thank here the leader of Puntland State, Said Abdullahi Deni, who facilitated the organization of this election, and for us to come here this morning and elect our local leaders with our own votes. This is the first one-person, one-vote election since 1969.
While some saw this as a model for the rest of the country, Mogadishu's response was muted at best. Puntland's leaders felt their efforts went unrecognized by the federal government, casting further doubt on Mogadishu's commitment to regional autonomy. As frustrations mounted, Puntland took the unprecedented step of suspending its recognition of the federal government. They demanded that any future constitutional changes be put to a national referendum, a step they see as necessary to protect their autonomy from what they perceive as Mogadishu's overreach. For the people of Puntland, this conflict represents more than a political struggle. It's about safeguarding their identity and self-governance. Mogadishu's moves towards centralized elections are seen by many here as not just impractical, but a direct challenge to Puntland's autonomy.
Our vision is to build a unified Somalia where every citizen's voice is heard through a popular vote. This initiative aims to strengthen our democracy and ensure that governance reflects the will of the people.
The gulf between the regional administration and Mogadishu grows wider by the day, with trust eroding and Puntland's government questioning its relationship with the federal government. Somalia's unity is under threat. This is a pivotal moment for Somalia, one where the stakes couldn't be higher. This has been a report on Somalia's federal crisis. For more updates and in-depth analysis, stay tuned as we follow more developments on this. Thank you for watching.